Welcome to this very easy 7 bass line. Anybody can play it, even a beginner, okay? So let's start. Let's start right away, no talking. Progression first. Do, fa, sol, fa, 1, 4, 5, 4, 1, 1, 4, 4, 4, 5, 5, 1, 4, 4, 4, do, 5, 5, 5, sol, sol, 5, 5, 5, do. Instead of just doing that, you want to also do the drum line, right? Do, fa, 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 sol, sol, do, fa, 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 do. And then whenever the drum rolls, you want to change your bass line. So I will show you how to substitute and change your bass line. But let's play the first bass line first, and then we can substitute after the drum rolls. You hear us now? So what am I playing right here? Okay, after he rolls down, 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 down. I did this re la do. Okay, so the progression is 1 4 5 4. I'm substituting the 4 with the 2. Okay, so I'm doing re la do, re re re. I'm doing re la sol, re 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 la do, re 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 la sol. He's gonna roll.